Subscribe to this YouTube channel and please enjoy watching this video. Here we go. The European Court of Justice (ECJ) have determined that both UEFA and FIFA acted against competition law after hindering the formation of the much-maligned European Super League in 2021. The decision by the ECJ is legally binding and not subject to appeal. There were a handful of parties that were heavily in favor of introducing the prospect of a European Super League into the world of football. As such, they took UEFA and FIFA to court in the hope of relaunching their proposition in the near future. One such party is A22, who are one of the main driving forces behind the European Super League. They believed both organizations were abusing their superiority by acting as a governing body, regulator, commercial operator, and gatekeeper, arguing that neither should be able to run a monopoly over the sport. A22 want to have free rein over the possibility of launching new competitions with the belief that it would enhance the sport and its viewership from all corners of the globe. With the ECJ verdict now set in stone, the possibility of the European Super League is beginning to come to light again, with clubs able to converse and make a well-informed decision over their potential participation, while at no risk of repercussions from either UEFA or FIFA. The FIFA and UEFA rules on prior approval of interclub football competitions, such as the Super League, are contrary to EU law. They are contrary to competition law and the freedom to provide services. The FIFA and UEFA rules, making any new interclub football project subject to their prior approval, such as the Super League, and prohibiting clubs and players from playing in those competitions, are unlawful. There is no framework for the FIFA and UEFA rules ensuring that they are transparent, objective, non-discriminatory and proportionate. Similarly, the rules giving FIFA and UEFA exclusive control over the commercial exploitation of the rights related to those competitions are such as to restrict competition, given their importance for the media, consumers, and television viewers in the European Union. The European Super League explained. The rebel competition faced serious backlash. First proposed back in 2021 by Real Madrid president Florentino Perez, the exclusive division would see only Europe's elite sides battle it out in a breakaway competition. The 12 founding members, Arsenal, Chelsea, Liverpool, Manchester City, Manchester United, Tottenham Hotspur, AC Milan, Juventus, Atletico Madrid, Barcelona and Real Madrid, were all keen to be permanent fixtures of the newly proposed competition, much to the dismay of football fans and pundits alike. A unifying moment among Premier League fans prevailed as they, with many others in support, combined forces to put up a case as to why the European Super League was an unjust way of becoming more financially driven. The notion behind it was to have the top 20 clubs from all corners of Europe competing in a separate league, which, in turn, would become a worldwide sports-leading phenomenon. On the back of strong criticism from a host of key figures, all 6 Premier League sides abandoned the plans. Though Juventus and Spanish duo Barcelona and Real Madrid were keen to continue with the process. As a result, the aforementioned trio could become trailblazers should they reboot their interest in forming such a league. European Super League now given fresh hope. Clubs are legally deemed free to join. With both UEFA and FIFA deemed to have illegally acted in poor faith to effectively outlaw the formation of the competition, the prospect of the European Super League is being revisited after the landmark European Court of Justice ruling. Clubs, without threat of sanction, are legally allowed to join the European Super League, which means the likes of Premier League duo Manchester City, Liverpool, and Arsenal are all set to have some important conversations in the coming days. As revealed by the ever-reliable Fabrizio Romano, the new and, supposedly, improved version of the European Super League will be made up of 64 teams in total. All teams will be split across 3 divisions, Star, Gold, and Blue, with the prospect of seasonal promotions and relegation, something which has been heavily debated, also included. There will be 14 games each season per team, 7 home and 7 away. It will be an open competition with 2 phases, a league and then the playoffs. Let us know what you think about the entire thing, in the comments section below. Additionally, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel for the latest news and updates from around the world. We sign out. Peace.